Let's talk about some Shiba Inu, guys. This is like the perfect time. So let's jump right into the charts, guys. Now, if you guys seen this explosive movement that's been happening, this is really, really good. So basically, in the last few months, Shiba Inu has been consolidating, making this basically this cup, this perfect cup that's been building up for a long time. We're talking about since May till basically 2-3 days ago. This has been a massive movement. So if you look at it, it's been making that cup since May. Then you got June, and then made a little bottom, multiple buy entries. This is extremely bullish. To me, I can see Shiba Inu hitting these top right here very easily. Now, the retracement back down, like if it hits this top right here and it headed back down, I have no idea. Maybe it is a rally just to take out these highs and then people take out profits. But I think it's a rally that is pretty easy to get into, especially all this. Now, I'm coming from the trading perspective, guys. If you guys are looking to do like, dollar cost averaging, to me, like this entire period was a really good time to dollar cost average, even including the price, the current market price now. And that's the price that I would be looking at right now. So let's get my arrows out. So even now, like for me, my target profit is going to be these candlesticks right here. Basically this out, and we're looking at 0.00, basically 4029 or just say 403. And that would be my target profit for my first entry. My second entry, when I do a double entry while trading this. They both be going to the same point, but once it moves past this high right here, this is a pretty easy high. I'm going to move my stop loss above my entry, locking in that trade, hopefully to catch on to get another trend if it goes up back higher. Because this is a very, very popular cryptocurrency. And I see this, minus the utility and the use, I just see that there's so much people into this cryptocurrency. This might be an easy trade to get onto. Well, now let's check the weekly, guys. All right. So even the weekly, like this is a good catch right here. Now, if I'm wrong, which is fine, you can't be always right. I'm going to make sure that my stop loss is down here a little bit, but if I do catch a loss on this trade, it's fine. I don't trade Shiba Inu that often, but I do like to get into big movements like this. So if it catches up to this high, and a lot of people are going to be going for this. So to me, it seems like a very easier trade to get into. But being wrong, it's fine. Just I won't risk my entire account on one trade. But I'm just giving you guys my insights, my thoughts about what's happening with Shiba Inu. But let's go into some other details that can help build the case for that. So obviously it's sitting at, let's see, number 12 on the ranking. 1.7 million people's watch list. You gotta be like, there's so many people watching this, so it was making that cup. So many people were buying into this. So what's happening with Shiba Inu and all this activity is absolutely amazing. So it has basically it's like 9 billion market cap. It's pretty much on all platforms. If you're looking at trading, like I link into more than doing cash positions, stuff like that. But it's both are available. They're on Shiba Inu is on most platforms. Maybe I think almost all of them. If you guys want to learn more about Shiba Inu, just check out the website. What else? For news, hit there on Twitter. I think Twitter's like the best spot for news outside their website. But 3.4 million followers, very active, very known crypto out there. So it can make those big moves. But besides that, guys, please check out my website, AndreJMcClellan.com. Here's the indicator part. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, learn more about trading, learn more about economy, just check out the website. I also am adding a new part to the education, a programming part. Since I do show off my programming robot, I want to show you guys more about programming in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So if you want to learn more about that, let me know, and we can talk about that. But besides that, guys, I hope I did good on this video. Tell me what your guys' thoughts are. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh, like, share, and subscribe, guys.